the third category is more professional, more industry oriented, and this category is known as scenario based questions or solution based questions. So what kind of questions available in this category? So we know that being as a network consultant or being as a CompTIA Network Plus certified consultant, it's our responsibility to design multiple solutions as per our organizational requirement or as per our customer or client requirement. So let's suppose that your team lead or your manager asks that you need to provide the solution regarding the endpoint protection, but you have to consider about the features, the budget, and implementation side as well. So now it's a solution based scenario where you need to do some kind of R&Ds and come up with the proper solutions regarding the endpoint protection. In the same manner, in this category, there will be number of questions where you can provide solutions about the load balancing, about the firewalls, about the network designs, about the parameter network, VPN side, and that kind of stuff. So let's suppose if we have a scenario where we have the head office and the branch office and we need to connect these both sides. So we have number of options available. We can directly access, we can access via side to side VPN, there are SSL VPN, there are clientless VPN available. So now it's your responsibility to come up with the right selection regarding your client and your customer. And in the same manner, your manager assign a role to you for the upcoming project, which is regarding the virtualization. So you need to select a proper compute and storage resources regarding the deployment of virtual machines. So in this regard, you need to select the vendor. It might be IBM, it might be Dell, HP, and other vendors. And you have to select the proper compute resources, storage, and the network side as well. So in this category, as I said earlier, you need to come up with more professional approach, more industry oriented approach. So these kinds of questions will be available during the exam. It might be as this category almost cover 25% of the CompTIA Network Plus certification exam. So there will be 5 to 10 questions available regarding the scenario based case studies, or you can say solution based case studies regarding this domain.